Debt is an insidious presence that creeps into your life, often unnoticed until it's firmly established. It lulls you into a false sense of security, making it seem manageable until you find yourself overwhelmed. With interest piling high and payments never fully satiating the beast, the key is recognizing that you're not helpless. The first step is acknowledging the situation and taking action. Look closely at your debts and face them head-on. The journey to financial freedom begins not with avoidance, but with confrontation. Embrace the challenge, for freeing yourself from debt is truly empowering. Debt freedom is not just a dream, it's a reality waiting for you to claim it. Start today by listing every single debt you owe, no matter how small. Because knowledge is the power that fuels your transformation. You'll be shocked to see the total, but remember, facing that number is the first step in your liberation. Next, take a moment to decide on your strategy. Whether it's the snowball method that builds momentum or the avalanche method that saves you money, choose the approach that speaks to you. This is your time to take control and rewrite your financial future. Understand that achieving debt freedom will require more than just wishful thinking. It demands action paired with relentless dedication. Prioritize stopping the bleeding by making immediate changes. You must freeze your credit cards and eliminate unnecessary subscriptions, which will cut off the flow of debt. These adjustments might feel difficult at first, yet they are vital in reversing your financial fate. Embrace this temporary discomfort for lasting peace, as each step taken builds towards a sturdy foundation of financial stability. Visualize what life will look like without the constant weight of debt, and let that vision drive your determination forward. Now that you've made your list and chosen a strategy, it's time to formulate your action plan. Begin by cutting expenses ruthlessly, as every dollar saved is a dollar you can redirect toward debt repayment. Examine your spending habits closely. Identify areas where you can reduce or eliminate costs, and seize this moment to adopt a more frugal lifestyle. Perhaps it means canceling unused subscriptions or opting for home-cooked meals instead of dining out. This discipline will not only aid your financial recovery, but pave the way for long-term wealth accumulation. Remember, every small sacrifice today builds a brighter, debt-free tomorrow. Once you've tackled your expenses, it's crucial to boost your income as well. Think of creative ways to generate additional cash flow. Whether it's driving for a rideshare service, picking up freelance gigs online, or selling items that no longer serve you, every little effort counts. Consider this: the more money you can contribute toward your debt, the faster you can eliminate it and reclaim your financial freedom. The notion of earning more might seem daunting, but even a modest increase in your income can significantly impact your debt repayment timeline. Set a goal and begin hustling. Once you establish your income-boosting strategies, the next critical step is to automate your debt payments. This removes the emotional burden associated with managing your finances, allowing you to focus on your journey to freedom. Set up automatic transfers to ensure that every month you are making progress without the temptation to skip a payment. By scheduling these transfers for the day after payday, you will prioritize your debt over discretionary spending, reinforcing your commitment to financial stability. The combination of strategic expense tracking, increased income, and automation will create a powerful momentum in your favor. Once your plan is in action, you may feel overwhelmed by the challenge ahead, but remember that real change takes time and persistence. Visualize every payment as a step closer to your ultimate goal of financial independence, where debt no longer controls your life. With consistent efforts, like diligently applying your extra cash to pay off smaller debts first, or focusing on the highest interest rates, momentum will build and you'll begin to see results. Each debt eliminated propels you forward, removing the burdens that have held you back and transforming your anxiety into empowerment. Stay committed and keep your eyes on the prize. Your effort today lays the groundwork for a brighter tomorrow. Your mission is crystal clear. Begin taking concrete steps this week. Write down every single debt you owe, because the act of putting pen to paper solidifies your commitment to change. Choose your preferred strategy. Whether it's the snowball or avalanche method, ensure it aligns with your goals. Build that $1,000 starter emergency fund by any means necessary to protect yourself from unexpected expenses. Cut at least 3 unnecessary expenses from your budget. This may require sacrifice, but remember it's a temporary situation for long-term freedom. Finally, pick one side hustle that excites you, and take that leap to start earning more money right away. Each of these steps will bring you closer to the life you've always dreamed of, one free from the chains of debt. In the modern world, financial anxiety is all too common, but it doesn't have to define your life. You have the power to break free from this cycle of fear and limitation by embracing a proactive mindset. Remember, it's not merely about eliminating debt. It's about reclaiming your financial integrity and self-worth. Each step you take today leads you toward a brighter, stress-free future. As you tackle this journey, visualize the independence you'll gain, the opportunities waiting for you, and the peace of mind that comes with being debt-free. You were born to thrive, not just survive. Take this pivotal moment to ignite the change you wish to see in your life. Now, reflect on the stories of those just like you who took the leap and triumphed over their debt. I tackled my debt head-on, and within a year, I was debt-free, one person might say with pride. It was hard work, but now I can finally breathe. Another might share the weight of their struggle lifted. These testimonials serve as powerful reminders that your own victory is within reach. And by taking consistent action, you too can rewrite your financial narrative and bask in the freedom you've fought so hard to achieve. The road to financial freedom is paved with intention and action, where every step taken carves out a new chapter in your life. Embrace the lessons learned along this journey, and remember that the power to change your financial destiny lies within you. It's time to seize that power and make your dreams of a debt-free life a reality. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend. Hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.